I don't even understand what he's singing, but it's beautiful. Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Dylan. I'm very excited to see this Eurovision entry because Mahmoud is a tough one to beat with Soldi. So I'm very excited to see what Italy came up with this year for Eurovision. I'm just gonna jump right in. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, hit that like button, hit subscribe. Also let me know what other Eurovision songs you want me to check out or any of this particular artist. Yeah, I'm just gonna start right now. I hope you enjoy. Let's go. The music is beautiful already. I love like the Italian, that they sing in Italian. That was what I was going to try to say. I'm getting the feeling that he's lost someone that he loved. I don't even understand what he's singing, but it's beautiful. I love that like ballads are a thing now in Eurovision. They always have been there, but these days you can win with a ballad. It reminds me of like a soundtrack from a movie. I love this part, like the softness. See, is she dead or? I love the visuals. I hope they bring out a dancer on stage to express the song. He has a good voice. How is he live? Is he just as good? I'm gonna look up the meaning of the song after watching this. He's getting lifted off the ground. Amore, so his love. I'm sorry I'm so quiet, I'm just kind of a bit sad, actually. Wow, I love this lighting they're using. I got chills from this last scene. This just, like I said, I don't know what it is about exactly. I'm gonna look it up just now, but I get the feeling that it's about losing someone you love, and I don't know if the person died or just went away from him, but that just made me feel sad if I had to think about me losing my boyfriend. I really don't want to think about that, and this video and this song made me think about that, so that's why I got a bit silent, and I just really wanted to watch the video and enjoy it and just feel the emotion, you know, and I really hope that he can do that on stage as well. I'm gonna look up what the lyrics are right now. So I don't really understand what it's about with the English translation, but it is about him missing someone, and I don't know if that person has passed away or. But he's talking about an unnatural silence between the two of them, so that makes me think that she's still alive, but he probably did something to her, or she went away, or she doesn't love him anymore, so that's why the connection isn't there anymore. Please let me know if you know the exact meaning of this song and put it in the reactions below this video. I really love the song. I don't know if it's a winner, but I think that if they put this on the stage correctly, that it can move a lot of people, even though they don't really understand the lyrics, just like it did with me. Yeah, I hope they'll do good this year. If you're from Italy, bravo with this song. It's beautiful. And I'm just gonna leave it at that. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want to see more, please let me know in the comments as well. And yeah, I hope to see you soon in a new video. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well. And I hope you have an amazing day. I'll see you very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.